guys, today we are making some peanut butter cookies, and it's a 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie. Yeah, we're just gonna use peanut butter, an egg, and sugar. Yeah, so we're gonna see how this comes out. I got this recipe off of a online website. I'm gonna pop it in so you guys can see. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these ingredients in a bowl. Okay, y'all, this is where I got the recipe from. Bare Feet in the Kitchen. I just want to make sure that I credit this website because this is not my recipe. Yeah, this is exactly where I got this idea from, right here. And if you're interested in this, you can just go ahead and I'll link it below. Okay, but they have a video as well. Okay guys, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but I'm using a cup of sugar, an egg, and a cup of peanut butter. Don't know if I mentioned that or not. Okay, so I'm just gonna add all of this to a bowl in no specific order at all. I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it in there. Then we're going to get a cup of peanut butter. This is a big thing of peanut butter. Okay, so this is a half a cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. I'm just putting it in the bowl, guys. And I'm just gonna make another half a cup. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna see if this really works. Just a 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie. It was pretty awesome. And if you know me, you know I can't follow anybody's recipe. I suggest you do. I'm putting a little more than a cup of peanut butter. Not much more, but just a little more. Because I want to. So if they don't turn out right, it's my fault. Yeah, I'm just cracking the egg. I know you're supposed to crack your egg in a different bowl to make sure nothing, I'm just putting it in the little bowl I got here. To make sure nothing comes out, you know, little bloody egg or whatever, but I don't do it. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and stir the dough. It looks like, well, I wouldn't call it dough, but that's what it looks like. I also read on the site, they said if you want a more dense cookie to use another egg, but this is called 3-ingredient, and that's what we are doing. 3 ingredients. This is called 3 ingredients, like it's a damn cooking show. Y'all, whatever. Okay, it just said to mix all the ingredients together, and we've done that. And it said to put it on a parchment paper, but I don't have any. I'm gonna put it on a pan that looks like this, and I'm just gonna put foil in this pan. And it said to bake for how many minutes? I think 12 minutes on 350. And you should have preheated your oven. Forgot to tell you guys that as well. Yeah, 12 minutes bake. And it also says when you get ready to put your cookie on the parchment paper, to do it in balls and press down. And this cookie will not spread, guys, because it has nothing in it but just peanut butter and sugar and an egg. And you can do your crisscrosses if you like. See how thick that cookie dough is? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it. I really didn't even use this. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to here. And I'm gonna get my my foil. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. On the website it said when you were done stirring it up to go ahead and get like balls and roll them with your hand about an inch thick, I guess. I don't know, but I'm just gonna take some and roll them like so, like you see me doing, about that big, whatever that big is, like that, like so. I'm just kind of eyeballing these. I'm not doing anything special. And when I get them all rolled out, I'm going to show you with this one how I'm going to flatten them. Well, I'm going to try to show you. I'm going to take a fork and just kind of flatten them with the fork. And that's what's going to make the crisscross lines, guys. You know that your peanut butter cookies have, or some anyway. Girl, this is going to be a mess. My cookies going to be all kind of sizes. But it is what it is. As long as they good, I don't care what size they are. Look at them. Look at the little cookie girl. Look at it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get these finished. I don't know if I'm going to put the rest of it on camera or not, but I'm going to go ahead and get them all rolled out. I'm just going to start with 6, guys. 6 cookies. And I probably won't bake them that long because mine's not that big. And I think I should have made them bigger than this. So, if you see this video, make yours bigger. Because mine are really small, guys. Like, real small. And they slide. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pop them in the oven, y'all. And I'm going to set my timer for 12 minutes. But I'm going to check them at probably around 9. Yeah, I'm going to check them around 9 because these are small cookies. Yeah. Okay. I'll be back to show you guys what they look like when they're done baking. Okay, guys, as you can hear the timer, I left these in the oven for about 8 or 9 minutes. I did not do a full 12 minutes, and that's what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and get something else to do a little bit more. Okay. This is what they look like. Just like that. I'm gonna let them cool and sit for a little while because right now they are super soft. Well, they are actually forming. Yeah, they're hardening a little bit. So I'm gonna let them sit and then I'm gonna give them a taste. And yeah, and tell you guys what I think. Guys, if you like videos like this, please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. And look at those. I mean, 3 ingredients: an egg, peanut butter, and some sugar will get you a cookie. Girl, who knew? Who knew? Alright, guys, so I just made some more that I'm about to go ahead and pop them into the oven. These I made bigger. Okay, y'all. This is a really good cookie. It's real good. It's so soft, it's falling apart. Because, guys, I didn't let mine form. But it's really good. I'm trying to hurry up and finish this video. Lola, you can't have none. Like I said, guys, if you like videos like this, please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. And have a cookie. These are really good. An egg, sugar, and peanut butter. Who knew? Bye.